Teacher.
Okay, so this is teacher JJ and welcome to our Zoom class.
Okay.
So, did you answer your activity last time? Did you answer your activity last time? So, we're going to
เมื่อ
answer
วัน
it.
พฤหัสที่พี่เชื่อสั่งกันบ้านได้ทำไปไหมเอ่ย
So, we're going to answer
เด็ก
it
ๆทำกัน
all.
บ้านเสร็จยังคะ
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to answer it all together. So, open your book on page 78.
28.
อะไรลูก
โอ้ทำแล้วเปิดเสียงเลยใช่ไหมเมื่อกี้ครูบอกว่า
78. So, are you already on page 78? Okay, so
เปิด
let's
หนัง
answer.
สือเลยค่ะ
Answer your book. Yes, it is 78.
อะไรก็การบ้านเก่าที่หนูทำไปแล้วไง
Okay, so number 1, let's see. The question is how many blocks or how many green blocks does Peter have? So the boy number 1, so this is Peter. Peter said, I have 9 blocks. I give you 3 more green blocks. So Peter has how many blocks? 9, right? So we're going to count back 3 because Peter gives 3.
หน้าไหน
Okay, so let's count back. So we have 9 going to 8, 7, and 6. So how many blocks does Peter have now? So we end at number 6. So we're going to subtract 9 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to
ยังไม่ให้ดูนะ
9 minus 3 equal to 9 ลบ 3 เหลือเท่าไหร่คะเด็ก
6. Very good. So you're going to write 6 here, and then 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And then you're going to draw also at the number band
มาแล้ว
9. If we part into 2 parts, 3 plus 6 is equal to
มาเลย
9.
กำลังจะสอบต้น
So here, Peter has 6 green blocks left. Okay. So did you get it correct?
ที่ครูเข้าเรียนอยู่ปะเนี่ย
Okay, so let's go to number 2. How many blocks does swimming have?
เนี่ยเรื่องเนี่ย
So how many pink blocks does swimming have? So swimming has 8 pink box and blue box altogether. He has 2 blue box. So we're going to count it back.
Blue to box.
Yes, so swimming has 8 blocks and blue box altogether. And then the boy has 2 blue box. So we're going to count 8 plus 8, 7, and then 6. Okay, so we're going to subtract 8 minus 2 is equal to
6.
6. Very good. So you write 6 here. And then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6.
Equals 6.
Okay, did you get it correct?
6.
Okay, so let's go to do and learn. So this one is do and learn. We're going to complete each number sentence. So when we say number sentence, this is the number sentence. So 7 minus 2 is equal to
5.
5. And then when we put it in vertical format, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And then letter B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then he gives 3 box. So we will count from 10, 9, 8, and 7. So 10 minus 3 because very good because
7.
very good. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7.
7.
Okay, so is it easy?
Easy.
Easy. So let's go to number 1. Here, how many bananas are left? If you're going to minus 0, how many bananas are left? 4. Because if you minus 0 to the number should be itself. Very good. 4. So how about this one? How many ice cream cones are left? How many?
ใหม่แล้วข้อ B แล้วลูก how many ice cream นะคะ
2. So how many ice cream cones? 2. Good job. So number 2. Complete the number bands and the number sentences. So this one is the number bands. We call it number bands, right? So we're going to complete it. How many hats do we have? How many hats? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And then the hats flew. The hats go away. So the 2 hats we cross out.
3.
So how many hats left? 3. Very good. So you're going to write 3 here. And then the number sentence, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Very good. So you write 3 here, and then you're going to write 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay? So letter B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons. We call it buttons. We have 8 buttons. And then we use the 6 buttons. How many buttons are left? We use 6 buttons. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write 6 here and then 2 more buttons left. So 8 minus 6 is how many?
ท่าไหร่คะ 8 minus 6
2. Very good. So we have 6 here. And then we Okay, so and then we're going to write 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay, so next number. Okay, so number 3, we're going to subtract. Write your answer on each puzzle piece and color the puzzle pieces. So we're going to color the puzzle pieces if the answer is 2 or 3. If the answer is 2 or 3, we show Rabi's path to the school. So we're going to start from here. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. How about 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And then 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 5 minus 1. 5 minus
5
1.
minus 1
4. And then 3 minus 2. 1. Very good. 7 minus 4. 3. 3. Very good. 9 minus 6. 3. How about 10 minus 8? 2. How about 2 minus 0? 2 minus 0? 2. And then 4. 0 minus 4 minus 0. How about 6 minus 6? 0. Very good. 10 minus 6. 4. And then 10 minus 2. 8. 9 minus 7. 2. 6 minus 8 minus 2. 6. And then 10 minus 1. 9 minus 2. 7. 6 minus 2. 4. And then the last two numbers, we have 10 minus 7. 3. And then last, 5 minus 3. 2. So remember again. So again, remember, the instruction says that you're going to color the puzzle pieces if the answer is 2 or 3. So we're going to color the answer with 2 and 3. So we're going to start from here. Okay, so
ได้
we're
ระบาย
going
สีคำตอบที่ได้คำตอบ2กับ3กันแล้วใช่ไหมคะเด็กๆให้ระบายสีแค่คำตอบที่ได้2หรือ3เท่านั้นนะคะ
Okay, so we're going to color 2 and then 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 2. So Ravi, from Ravi's house, Ravi goes here, down to the school. So Ravi goes to the school now. Okay. You understand?
ระบายสีอย่างเดียวนะลูกไม่ต้องขีดเส้นตาม
Okay,
ทิชเชอร์นะ
very good. Okay, so let's go. to our topic for today. So our topic for today is solving word problems. So our topic is solving word problems. Okay, so did you remember solving word problems in addition? But now we're going to solve problems with subtraction. So again, what is the meaning of word problem? So word problem is a few sentences describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by a mathematical calculation or by subtraction or by addition. But this now we're going to solve it in subtraction, okay?
เป็นเรื่องของโจทย์ปัญหาการลบนะคะเด็กๆคล้ายๆกับการบวกเลยวิธีทำเหมือนกันเลยค่ะแค่เอาไปลบเท่านั้นเอง
Okay, so let's start. I have here an word problem. So Peter has five pencils. He gives City 2 pencils. How many does Peter have left? So we need to understand the question. So what is the question? How many pencils does Peter have left? So what is the question? The question is, how many pencils does Peter have left? Okay, so that
อันนี้ที่เชื่อถามก่อนว่าคำถามของโจทย์ปัญหานี้เขาถามว่าอะไรยังไม่ได้ให้หาคำตอบนะคะให้ถามที่เชื่อถามว่าประโยคคำถามตรงไหนที่มันเป็นในส่วนของคำถาม how many pencils Peter have left เขาถามว่า Peter เนี่ยเหลือดินสอกี่แท่งอันนี้คือประโยคคำถามนะคะ question คือ how many pencils does Peter have left
Okay, so that is the question. So we need to understand the question first. And then next, we're going to write the given information. So what is the given information? So Peter has 5 pencils. He gives City 2 pencils. So we're going to write the given question. Okay, so Peter has 5 pencils. He gives City 2 pencils. Okay, did you understand?
มันจะมีสิ่งที่โจทย์ถามกับสิ่งที่โจทย์ให้มาสิ่งที่โจทย์ถามคือ question given information คือสิ่งที่โจทย์กำหนดให้มาในนี้ก็คือ Peter has 5 pencils he gives City 2 pencils อันนี้คือสิ่งที่โจทย์ให้มานะคะ
Okay, so next we're going to plan. So we're going to plan the problem. So we're going to look for the keyword. So what is the keyword for us to solve the problem? So we're going to find the keyword. It is left. The keyword is left.
keyword สำหรับโจทย์ปัญหาการลบคือคำว่า left L E F T left แปลว่าเหลืออยู่เท่าไหร่สิ่งนั้นสิ่งที่เหลืออยู่เท่าไหร่นะคะ keyword ของโจทย์ปัญหาการลบคือ left
Okay, so that's why the mathematical operations that we're going to use is subtraction. If you saw left in our problem, it means we're going to subtract, okay? We're going to subtract it.
สัญลักษณ์ในการลบคือเครื่องหมายลบนะคะ
So we're going to solve now our problem. So first, we're going to write the number sentence. So what is the number sentence? It is 5 because Peter has 5 pencils and he gives 2 pencils to City. So the number sentence is 5 minus 2 is equal to blank. So we're going to find out what is the answer to the question, okay? So Peter has 5 pencils. He gives City 2 pencils. So what is the answer now? 5 minus 2 is equal to
5 minus 2 equal to
ตอบเรื่องอะไร
5 minus 2เท่าไหร่คะ
3. Very good. So Peter has 3 pencils left. So Peter has 3 pencils left. So now we're going to check the answer if it is correct. So how to check the answer? It is 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5, yes or no? Yes. So the answer is reasonable.
ใช่เลยตอบ3ถูกแล้ว
Okay, so next, let's have another example. Peter has 3 marbles. He gives Rabbit 2 marbles. So Peter again have 8 marbles. And then he gives Rabbit 2 marbles. So how many marbles does Peter have left? So we're going to find the keyword again. The keyword is left.
So left.
So we're going to use subtraction. So here we have marbles and then he gives 2 marbles to Rabi. So the number sentence that we're going to use is 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Very good. Very good. So Peter has 6 marbles left. Okay, did you get it? Did you understand?
Do you understand เข้าใจไหมคะ
Okay. So let's answer your book. Please open your book on page 84. This is page 84.
เปิดหนังสือหน้า 84 ค่ะ 84 ค่ะ
ตอนนี้อยู่ที่คุณปิดทีนี้คุณพักไม่รู้ว่าจะเข้ามาเซ็นแล้วล่ะแล้วเดี๋ยวท่านเดียว
Okay, so let's start answering your book. So we're going to solve the word problem. The word problem is Kanya has 8 stamps. She loses to 2 stamps. So how many stamps does she have left? So we're going to understand first the question. So what is the question? We're going to write it. So the question is, how many stamps does she have left?
เด็กๆเขียนเลยนะคะ How many stamps does she have left ใครเขียนเสร็จและหน้า 84 ลูกน้องเกียร์ 84ค่ะเกียร์เปิดเลยเขียนเลยลูกก็หอมเปิดยังลูก
กำลังเขียน
โอเคค่ะ
Okay, so I will give the video again. I will record the Zoom and you can write it if you're not finished, okay?
เดี๋ยวทีเชอร์ส่งเป็นคลิป วิดีโอให้อีกรอบหนึ่งนะคะ ใครเขียนตามไม่ทันดูตามไปก่อนนะลูกเดี๋ยวทีเชอร์ส่งเป็นคลิปวิดีโอให้นะคะ
Because we don't have enough time, okay? So what is the given information? So we're going to write the given information, which is Kanya has 8 stamps. She loses 2 stamps. Oh, no.
สิ่งที่โจทย์กำหนดให้มีสองอันคือกัญญา has 8 stamps she lost 2 stamps กัญญามีสแตมป์อยู่8 ดวงทำหายไป2 ดวงนี่คือสิ่งที่โจทย์กำหนดให้มานะคะ
Okay, so now we're going to plan our word problem. So what is the keyword that we use? It is left, right? So
ใช้
the
คำว่า left
very good.
left
So we write left here, and if we use left, the mathematical equation that we're going to use is subtraction, right?
สัญลักษณ์ทางคณิตศาสตร์นะคะในโจทย์ปัญหาการลบคือคำว่า subtraction หรือเครื่องหมายลบนั่นเองนะคะ
Okay, so let's move on to solving the word problem, okay? So we're going to write the number sentence, which is 8 minus 2 is equal to blank. And then after that, we're going to answer the question. So Kanya has 8 stamps and she loses 2 stamps. So what will be the answer? So 8 minus 2 is equal to
เขียนไม่ทันเดี๋ยวทิชเชอร์มีคลิปวิดีโอส่งให้ย้อนหลังหนูค่อยเขียนตามตอนคลิปวิดีโอก็ได้นะคะ ตรงไหนเขียนทันเขียนตามไปก่อนนะลูก
I will give you a video record so you can see the answers, okay?
ไม่เป็นไร
Because we need to do it fast because we don't have time, okay? So she has 6 stamps left. And then she has 6 stamps left.
ถามว่า how many stamps does she have left เท่าไหร่หรอ
เท่าไหร่คะ
right to 7
8 minus 2นะลูก 8 minus 2
Okay, so we're going to check. Yes, very good. So we're going to check the answer. 6 is smaller than 8. 6 is smaller than 8, yes or no?
yes
Yes, so the
Yes.
answer is reasonable or the answer is correct.
yes
Okay, so
yes
okay, so now we're going to do your activity, which is the exercises from pages 85 to 86, okay?
การบ้านนะคะการบ้านวันนี้หน้า85ถึง86นะคะ2หน้านะคะ ลองเกียร์กัน
เกิดจากตรงนี้
ว่าหน้านี้แล้วเนี่ยเห็นไหม
Hello teacher จะไปเอาสองนี่เอง
ไม่ต้อง
ทำไมอ่ะ
ไม่มีเตี้ยม
หน้านี้
อยู่นี่มาฟอกไปลบยัง
อย่างแล้วกูเขียนตามนี่แหละเหมือนกันคอ
Teacher I cannot hear you
Okay, sorry, teacher. I mute the mic. Okay, can you hear me?
yes
So let's start it. Let's do it again. So number sentence, we're going to write it. So 5 minus 2 is equal to blank. So if we're going to answer the question, we're going to write Amia had 5 cupcakes. She ate 2 cupcakes. How many cupcakes does she have now? So she had 3 cupcakes left. So check the answer. 3 is smaller than 5, yes or no? Which one is smaller, 3 or 5? 3, right? So the answer is reasonable.
เขียนตามครูแบบนี้ใช่ไหม
Okay. So for letter B, it is on page 86. Page 86. There are 6 eggs. Look at the eggs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the 2 eggs, 2 of the eggs are broken. So we're going to answer how many eggs are not broken. It is the not broken. So we're going to write the answer 6. We have 6 eggs, right? Minus 2, the broken eggs. How many eggs are not broken?
มีไข่อยู่6 ฟองแตกไป 2 ฟอง เหลือไข่ที่ไม่แตกอีกกี่ฟอง
4. Very good. 4 eggs are not broken. 4 eggs. So you write your answer on your book.
เขียนนะ
finish?
Finish.
Okay, so next
Finish.
letter C.
ตี
Kasen. Okay, Kasen has 9 fish. So Kasen has 9 fish. 6 of his fish are small. 6. So 6 are small and the rest are big. So the question is, how many big fish does she have or does he have? So we're going to write 9 fish minus small fish because he has 6 small fish. So we're going to find out the big fish. So 9 minus 6 is how many?
9 minus 6
Very good. So Kasim, he has 3 big fish.
Big fish.
Yes, very good. So we're done with our activity. Since we're late on our lessons, we're going to do one more topic, okay, teacher? Because we're very late on our book.
โอเค
Okay, so we do the creating subtraction stories. This is another topic which is creating subtraction stories. Now, a while ago we learned about solving word problems. This time we're going to create or we're going to make stories. Okay?
เดี๋ยวที่เชอร์จะสอนการสร้างโจทย์ปัญหาการลบนะคะ
So you can see on our screen, we can also make our story from numbers given. So we have 9 and 3. So we're going to make stories about these numbers. So first, we're going to create a story. The first step that we're going to do is we're going to think of a math idea. So the math idea we used here is numbers. Okay, this is numbers. So the second step is we're going to make a story about the numbers. So we're going to make a story or we're going to think of a story. So we can also write, my mom has 9 eggs in a basket and she takes 3 eggs to make omelette. So you're going to make a story about that number. Or for example, I have 9 apples and teacher Fern has 3 oranges. Like that, you're going to make a story about that number.
วิธีการที่เราจะสร้างโจทย์ปัญหานะคะ เราต้องดูก่อนว่าเรามีตัวเลขอะไรบ้างนะคะ โจทย์ให้ตัวเลขมาอย่างเช่นอันนี้โจทย์ให้ตัวเลขมาเลข9กับเลข3นะคะทิชเชอร์ก็สร้างโจทย์ปัญหาจากตัวเลข9และเลข3โดยทิชเชอร์บอกว่า my mom has 9 eggs in a basket แม่มีไข่อยู่ในตะกร้า9ลูกนะคะ she takes out 3 eggs to make omelette แม่เนี่ยก็นำไข่ไปทำไข่เจียวเนี่ย3 ฟองนะคะนี่คือโจทย์ปัญหาของการลบคือมีไข่อยู่9 ฟองกินไปแล้วเนี่ย3 ฟองแล้วเดี๋ยวเรามาดูกันว่าในประโยคคำถามเราจะทำให้มันเป็นคำถามว่าอย่างไรได้บ้างนะคะเดี๋ยวดู step 3
Okay, so for the step 3, we ask our question. So what is the question? How many eggs are left in the basket?
How many eggs are left in the basket เหลือไข่ในตะกร้ากี่ฟองเหลือเท่าไหร่คะ
6. Very good. Because we have 9 eggs and then the 3 eggs Mom cooked it to make omelette. So we have 6 eggs left in the basket. So there are 6 eggs left in the basket. Okay, so let's have another example. So we can also make stories from the given picture. So for example, we have basketball here, right? So we're going to make a question, or we're going to make stories about this basketball. So for example, teacher have 8 basketballs, and then I give away the 3 basketballs. So the question is, how many basketballs do I have left?
ทีเชอร์บอกว่าทีเชอร์สร้างโจทย์ปัญหาโดยมีเลข8กับเลข3ทีเชอร์ก็สร้างมาว่า teacher have 8 basketballs มีลูกบาสอยู่8 ลูกให้คนอื่นไปแล้ว3 ลูกทีเชอร์จะเหลือบาสเกตบอลกี่ลูก
Okay. So now that I made the story, very good. So now that I make the story, very good. So we're going to write the number sentence. It is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. And then the answer is, I have 5 basketballs left. Okay, next. This one is the last example that we have. So 9 minus 6 is equal to blank. So we're going to make subtraction stories from the given number sentence. This one is a number sentence, right? So for example, I have 9 oranges, or Neptune has 9 oranges in the paper bag. I take out, or San take out 6 oranges. How many oranges are left in the paper bag? So what is the question? How many oranges are left in the paper bag?
ทีเชอร์แต่งประโยคมาว่า Neptune have 9 oranges in the paper bag. Sun take out 6 oranges. How many oranges are left in the paper bag? Neptune มีส้มอยู่9 ผลในถุง Sun หยิบออกไป6 ผล Neptune เหลือส้มอยู่ในถุงกี่ผล?
Student. So it is 9 minus 3. Very good. So there are 3 oranges left in the bag, or in the paper bag. Okay, did you get it on how to create stories? Did you understand on how to create subtraction stories?
เข้าใจการสร้างโจทย์ปัญหาจากตัวเลขที่กำหนดให้ไหมคะ เข้าใจแล้วทุกคนไม่ได้ชื่อ
Very good. So I know that you are all hungry. Are you hungry? Did you want to eat your lunch now? So for your activity or for your homework, I want it to do it on your own. So you're going to answer your book from pages 89 to 91. Okay?
เดี๋ยวทำการบ้านนะคะการบ้านหน้า89 90แล้วก็91
ไม่หรอก59แล้ว
89 90 91ค่ะ
16
In our next Zoom meeting, we will answer your activity, okay?
เดี๋ยววันพฤหัสเราเข้าซูมกันอีก1 ครั้งพร้อมกับมาเฉลย แบบฝึกหัดหน้า 89 90 91 แล้วค่อยเรียนต่อนะคะ
Okay, do you have any questions or do you have something to say about our topic?
มีคำถามอะไรไหมคะ มีอะไรใครจะถามพิเชอร์ไหมคะ
No thank you
ถ้าใครไม่มีคำถามนะคะ อย่าลืมทำกันบ้านนะคะ3 หน้า น้องฟังกันบ้านหน้าอะไรครับ
บ้านนั่งเลย
Okay, if you don't have any questions, that's all for today. Thank you everyone for listening.
เดี๋ยวบอกว่าที่คำถาม
Thank you, Teacher Fern, for helping me today. Thank you, students. Bye.
Say goodbye to you, Panta.
Thank you teacher
Thank you. Bye.
teacher
You can watch our Zoom meeting or you can watch our Zoom.
Thank you teacher
Thank you. Bye. Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
I will end the Zoom now. Bye.
Wow